Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to day one of Vlogmas. And in today's video guys, we are going to be unboxing my winter edition of Fabfitfun. We're going to see if this is actually worth it, and I'm going to talk to you guys about my day one of my 7 days of giveaway. So you guys want to see what this is all about, what my thoughts are on this box, well then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I just wanted to start off by saying thank you guys so much for all the love you guys have shown me when I did my reveal of my collaboration with Blinged Brushes. Guys, I literally was so scared and so nervous to post that video. You can ask Blinged Brushes and Courtney, who's the owner. I was freaking the fuck out. Okay, like I had such bad anxiety. I still do, just so you know. I'm freaking out about what's happening in 2 days, which is my launch of Blinged Brushes. Oh my god, I'm flipping my shit. Okay, I'm kind of shitting bricks over here. But needless to say, you guys have been so sweet. You guys have really been loving this, and I cannot thank you guys enough. I've cried so many times about this, and you know, it is just such a moment. And I want to go ahead and apologize if I sound sick. I am. It's not COVID. I got tested. It is literally just a common cold because I was around my best friend for the whole weekend and her little ones were really sick, and that's what happens when you play with kids. So here I am battling a cold on top of everything. So I'm going to sound really stuffy, but I'm on medication to help with this. So anyway, I'm so excited. You guys really love the review. I cannot wait to see it in your guys' hands. I'm so excited, and seriously, just thank you guys for all the love and support. And speaking of that, guys, this is just what is life right now. But Jacqueline Roxanne started following me on Instagram today. What the fuck? Like what? They only follow like 16 people, and I'm one of them. It is just like, what the heck, you know? And my husband was so excited, and he's like, are you excited? I'm like, yeah, I just wish I felt better on top of it. But you know, it was really cool that they started following me, because you guys know how much I love my Jacqueline Roxanne. And today also marks day one of my 7 days of giveaway. So if you guys haven't seen on my Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube Shorts, I went ahead and posted my day one of my 7 days of giveaway. And in that giveaway, I'm so honored to say that I teamed up with Ofer Cosmetics. They are sponsoring my entire giveaway, where I'm going to be giving away one lucky viewer some of my favorite items from Ofer Cosmetics. If you guys want to enter that giveaway, it is being held over on my Instagram right now, so make sure you guys go check that out. I'll have a link down below. But yeah, this is just the start of everything. So with that said, guys, we're gonna go ahead and dive straight on into my Fabfitfun box. I got to pick out my customizations sometime late October, early November. I have no idea what I got in here. All I know is that I pay for the yearly fee, so like I don't pay for a monthly anymore, but I think monthly is like $49.99. But if you guys use like Allie Klein's code, I think Jen Loves Reviews has a code. I think Alexander Ryan has a code. If you guys use any of their codes, it can take $10 off your first box, making it $39.99. Oh my god, I hate saying 9 because I just sound so horrible. I could be a phone sex operator. No, but they have discount codes so you guys can use to buy this box. I've loved some of my Fabfitfun boxes, but I've also not liked some of my Fabfitfun boxes. But what I think is really cool, if I mess up words, I'm sorry. What I think is really cool about this box is that it's kind of nice getting something different, because I tend to pick items that have nothing to do with makeup, because I like to just get a variety of different things. That's why I really do enjoy getting Fabfitfun, because it's just a great way to kind of branch out a little bit of makeup. And speaking of that, speaking of subscription boxes, y'all, I cannot wait until my BoxyCharm comes in, because we've got to talk. Okay, I saw the price increases. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and dive straight on into my winter box right here. And I am so glad that I'm back doing Vlogmas. This is my 3rd year in a row doing Vlogmas. It was so weird because, like, in reality, nothing really changes for you guys. Because I usually post 5 days a week. So you guys are just going to be getting an extra 2 videos every single week up until the very end of the month. I know some people like to go up until Christmas. I'm going to try to go up until the very end of the month like I did last year. If I miss a day or two, it is what it is, because, you know, the holidays and whatnot. But I'm really excited to vlog every single day. And I'm going to vlog some behind the scenes stuff of, like, launch day and stuff like that. So that's going to be so much fun. All right, so as always, They like to throw in a magazine where they tell you guys what you are getting in your box and whatnot. Now, they used to do it where you got to see what Fabfitfun picked for you, what you could have gotten and whatnot, but now they actually make it so your box is literally customized to you. So they allow you to have the utmost customization possible. So you pretty much just now pick out every single item for yourself, and I really do like that, because there are some days that they would just give you stuff you're just like, why are you giving me this? So I need to find the spot that shows my customizations, because I don't remember this crap. Oh, that's right. They make you scan for it. Oh, come on. Why do they do that? All right, so I don't want to get the app, so we're just going to go ahead and dive straight on in. So the first thing that we have in here is a milk frother. Is that how you say it? Milk frother. A milk frother. Oh my God, am I saying that right? Milk frother. Yo, I feel like I have a lisp. Milk frother. Stop. Am I saying this right? I'm scared I'm not saying it right. Milk frother. Okay, I gotta freaking type this in because I cannot. Frother. Frother.
Frother.
Frother.
Frother.
Yo, I feel like I have a freaking lisp when I say it. Milk frother. I'm sorry. Okay, so I picked out a milk frother. Yo, I can't. That's all I think I feel like I have right now. Jesus. And I'm not making fun of anyone who has lisp, because trust me, I am not perfect myself. How many words do I fuck up on? How many words I mess up on in reality? I felt like maybe I was saying it wrong because I'm just like having a cold right now. So that's why I was saying it wrong. But anyway, here we have a milk frother. And I guess I picked this out for whatever reason I picked it out for. But I am going to go ahead and include this into a No Waste Wednesday, because the fact that my sister for Christmas, even though Christmas hasn't happened yet, she actually sent me a Chef Mate like espresso machine, so I can make espressos, lattes, cappuccinos, and it comes with its own milk frother. So I don't need this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a No Waste Wednesday. Hopefully someone who gets it will get a good use out of it. Alrighty, next we have hot chocolate bath bombs, or hot chocolate bombs right here. Okay, did I pick this out for myself? I don't recall. Why do I have to scan the freaking, I don't want to scan that. Okay, so this is part of the Barefoot Scientist Beneki Aesthetica bundle. So this retails for $44, but it comes with like a foot scrub and like something else. But they're probably just like somewhere in this. Oh, wait, here we go. Comes with a foot scrub. And then it comes with something else that's in this box, but I don't know where it is. I find I'll show you guys. But this is obviously something I picked out for myself. The milk frother retails for $24.95. So that's really cool. I've never made a chocolate bomb before, or a hot chocolate bomb before. Probably just also because like I don't really drink that much like milk stuff, because I'm so lactose intolerant that it wouldn't be good for my stomach. But that's actually really cool. We have something from Kate Spade. So this is the Kate Spade Rise and Shine Stud Earrings set of 2. It retails for $68. Kate Spade studded earrings right here. That is so cool. That's awesome. Those are actually really pretty too. Oh, cool. And then it has like a little bag you can put it in. Oh, that's awesome. Next, we have something from Briorgio. This is the Farewell Frizz. This is Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant. Guys, I absolutely do love Briorgio. I think it's a great hair care product brand. I use their stuff quite often, and especially since I do get my hair professionally done, I like to take care of my hair, and anytime I put any sort of heat products in my hair, I always want to use heat protection. So the fact that I have a Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream, definitely something I'm really excited about. I did pick this out for myself, and this retails for $24, so yay! Well, I think everything I picked out for myself, but ooh. Next, we have a blanket. This is the Unhide Lil Marsh blanket, small in the shade Rose. And this blanket is so freaking soft. I actually For my very, very first time I got Fabfitfun, I actually got this blanket and it was in a different color. It's like a cream color. I love that blanket so much. It's so freaking soft, but the only problem with it is that my animals love the blanket too. So it becomes a battle of who gets to have the blanket. More often than not, my animals win because I just rather them be comfortable, them be warm, than have me. You know, I put my animals first. So now I don't have to battle them. I can literally have this. This retails for $65. Kind of pricey for what it is, especially because I really do like my micro plush blankets that I get from Target. So beautiful, beautiful color though. It's always nice to have lots of blankets because we like to keep our house a little colder because I like to sleep in the cold. So that is freaking awesome. I love this blanket. Thanks, Allie. Oh, here goes that other item. What was it? It's from Estetica. It's a liquid liner. Cool. All right, and then last but not least, because you don't really get that many options anymore, you don't get that many items anymore, I picked out a Our Place layered lunchbox with clips and utensils. This retails for $35. I don't know why I picked this out for myself, because where am I eating lunch at besides home? But I did pick it out. Oh my god, that is so freaking cute. And then you... Oh. So here are the utensils right here. This is the lid. And I'm assuming this comes off. This comes off. And then like you have your two little portions for lunches. That's so cute. Oh my god, that is actually adorable. Like you could take that, kind of stack that in. Though kind of, I don't know how that would work because it's just be squishing your food. But I guess it could do that too. You can maybe do that. That's actually really cool. I really like that. You know what I'll do? I legit will still pack my lunch in the morning. No shame. And I will eat it during my lunch break. And then it clips on just like so. That's actually super cute. All right, so let me just see what the value of my box is. So the total value of my box is $260.95. I really do like the fact that they really let you have customizations. And since I do pay for the annual membership, I get to have first dibs on everything. I do wish they kind of broadened their horizon a little bit and kind of gave you more options than what they do. But like I said, I just think it's awesome that they fully let you customize your box. I kind of wish that BoxyCharm and Ipsy would do that. Like Ipsy does allow you to customize 3 out of the 5 items, but BoxyCharm let you pick 1 to 2. I just wish you can really kind of customize your box because if you're paying for it, I just feel like that'd be really cool if you could. So overall, definitely not a bad box. I'm happy with it. Obviously, I picked out everything myself. And then, like I said, it's just kind of nice to unbox something else that like is different from makeup. So yeah, this is kind of a short video, but this is going to be the introduction into my Vlogmas series. So do expect me to be here every single day in the month of December. Make sure you guys head over to my Instagram right now so you guys can see how you guys can enter that Ofer Cosmetics giveaway. And stay tuned because I have more and more giveaways occurring this month. So it's just my way of saying thank you guys so much for everything. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you seriously show me on my bling brush launch. I cannot wait for you guys to play with these in person. Like truly, I worked so hard on them, so thank you guys so much. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day in the month of Vlogmas. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel because I am finishing up my wedding videos. You guys will see that very, very, very soon. Now you guys know why there's a delay because I was so focused on this. But anyway, make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to... I cannot wait to tell you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I cannot wait to see it live. I'm gonna give away 1 lucky viewer. I'm so honored to say that I teamed up and